Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is an 84 Rivi. Just over 10,000 miles on this beauty, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see the bottom. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna drive it, we're gonna get in the trunk, we're gonna get in the interior. We are gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Riviera investment. So come on up, and we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out. You can tell it was very well kept throughout the years. The chrome is looking amazing. I don't think this car was ever outside. You can see these headlight bezels look good. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The grille's in beautiful shape. Now this color is beautiful. It has got some nice fine metallic in it. Of course, everything lines up nice and smooth. The paint is soft as can be. Love those wire wheels. Of course, my dad used to make me clean the heck out of those when I was a kid. We got good looking gaps here, and they've got these bumper guards. Remember those guys? Keep those guys in the parking lot for opening the doors on your car. Door panels look good. Love the suede. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Steering wheel looks good. Dash pad looks good. All that beautiful imitation wood looking beautiful on the dash. All the gauges look good. Of course, it's got all the seat belts. The carpeting looking good. I mean, this car looks like a brand new car. Headliner's in good shape, dome lights working. Just an amazing ride here. I think I got the keys in my pocket here, and we'll check out the trunk. Of course, the chrome on the back looks good. When I was a kid, we actually had one of these cars. I forget what year it was, but man, I had a blast driving that car around. Look in there, we've got original floor mats in there. Looks like the original spare. Isn't that neat? We got good looking covering in there. Look at this. Look how nice and clean all this is. I tell you, you can't clean something to make it look that good. The only way you can keep that clean is to keep it that clean. All these stickers are all original. They're all paper stickers. Of course, everything looks brand new because the car was so well kept throughout the years. Look down the side of it. She is beautiful. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, and we bring in between 40 and 50 new units every month. So we've always got new inventory coming in. We own about 230 cars. That's right, own them all. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. And I'm in charge of picking every one of the cars out, so I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. All right, Riviera time. This baby's got 10,515 miles on it right now, and you want to talk about bringing back memories? I feel like I'm back in high school driving mom's car out roller skating. This thing was a blast to drive when I was a kid. I loved it. I mean, of course, Buick makes some of the baddest ass cars on the planet. We actually had a Electra before we had the Riv. And that Electra had a big block in it. It was faster than my car. These things are sweet, guys. So I tell you what, Tom can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513, and he will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now, if you want some help with financing, he will take care of all of that for you also. Now, Tom's gonna do all the paperwork for you. You're not gonna have to do a thing, and here's a semi-truck. We're gonna make a Yui right here. Look at this. We got a horseshoe drive, look at this. So anyway, Tom's gonna take care of everything for you, so you don't have to do a thing but make a phone call. Now you can see down here on the dash that everything's working down here. You can see it says, guy just put another mile on it, 10,516 miles now. All the gauges seem to be working. It's got that stock, I mean, it's all stock. It's never been messed with. Now the one thing that, I don't know if you can see it with the camera down here, it does have a little gas shut off down here that you use this little barrel key to turn on. It's kind of a security system from back in the day. So all you got to do is stick that key in there, turn the fuel on, and then you can fire it up just like normal. But just an amazing ride here. And you know, we're right outside the Motor City. We're close to the airport. We're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month. So make sure you keep a close eye on us on YouTube, Facebook, and our website. We've always got new stuff coming in. And we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can see the bottom. We're gonna open up the hood, fire up the motor. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. So here we are at 15100 Keel Street. So stick with us. We're gonna put it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the Riviera now, and you can see super low mileage car. Look at that. There's a paper tag still on the fill neck on the gas tank here. You can see it's got the original exhaust and the rear end ratio. Wait a minute, there's no rear end in here. That's right, it's a front wheel drive, guys. Now, this little sensor right here is actually the ride height sensor. When I was a kid, when we had our Riviera, that popped off one time and the ass end of the car went way up in the air. So if that ever happens to you, pop that back on and that fixes that real easy. Now, the frame's looking good. The floorboards are all original. Again, the heat shields look good. They're all original. Catalytic converter's original. Of course, we got our hydromatic transmission up here for the front wheel drive. Everything up here is original. We still got paper tags here. The bushings have still got the coating on them. I see more paper tags under here. I mean, everything about the car is beautiful underneath. I mean, very, very well kept. There's still a paper tag here on the sway bar. That goes to show you the car was barely driven, probably never driven in the weather. We got these great looking tiger paws on here. Now, these are probably original to the car, and if you plan on driving the car a lot, I'd put some other tires on the car and keep these so you have the original tires for the car. We do have, let's see, what size are they? 205 75 15s. You see the rocker moldings look good. Of course, the pinch weld looks good. Out back here, wide whites again. They got the tiger paws. Again, 205 75 15s. Now let's pop the hood, see what's making the power. All right, under the hood here we got our V8. It's a 5-liter. Everything under here is original. All the wiring looks good. All the lines look good. Everything is beautiful under here. You can tell it was well kept throughout the years. All original, low mileage, original AC, original emission stuff. Evaporator housing is beautiful, looking clean. Firewall's nice and clean. It looks like it's got a GM HEI distributor with all the paper tags. Again, I'm seeing paper tags everywhere. One of the reasons I bring up those paper tags is obviously they come off really easy. So you can tell the car hasn't been driven very much when all of those are still on it. Guys, give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.